Good morning, class. Today, we'll delve deeper into navigating the vast sea of information known as the Internet. Last time, we covered the basics, but now, it's time to explore the tools that help us sail through this digital ocean. Let's begin with Microsoft Edge, the trusty vessel for many Windows 10 users. But remember, there are other browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox sailing alongside it. Here's the ship, Microsoft Edge. And these are its essential tools: the refresh button, the address bar, the go/search button, favorites, and settings. Each plays a crucial role in our Internet navigation. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of the Internet connection. Just like a telephone needs a connection to function, so does your computer to access the vast expanse of the web. Remember our discussion on ISPs?
What if we don't know the exact web address of a site we want to visit?
Excellent question. That's where our trusty friend, the search engine, comes into play. It's like a compass guiding us through the endless waves of information. Google, Yahoo, or Bing, they're all search engines waiting to assist you. Let's dive deeper into how to use them effectively for our research endeavors.
What about email? How does that fit into all of this?
Email, the swift messenger of the digital age. With email, you can communicate across continents in mere seconds. Plus, it's free and versatile, allowing you to send not only text, but also documents, images, and videos. Remember, your email address is like your mailbox in this digital world, a place where messages come to find you. And creating one is as simple as signing up with an email service provider like Gmail or Yahoo. Alright, class, that's all for today. Remember to explore the vast treasures of the Internet responsibly, and I'll see you next time. Stay curious.